Welcome to the Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll explain to you why your TikTok app is spinning and how to fix it. So the issue began around the start of December when people began reporting that their whole screen was moving in circles. As you can see, this is one of the examples. So while scrolling through your For You page, the video starts spinning around and around repeatedly on top of a black background. So the issue mainly seems to be occurring for Android users, so particularly with those S23 Ultra or the Google Pixel device. So TikTok hasn't really addressed the issue, but videos are spinning due to an ongoing glitch which only occurs with the Android phones. So there's nothing wrong with your phone or your account. It is an issue with TikTok that is completely out of your control. However, there are some things which you can try, which I'll show on the video. So the very first thing which you can do is by basically closing your TikTok app completely. You can do this by bringing up your app switcher and make sure TikTok app is closed. And to be extra sure, go ahead and restart your Samsung Galaxy phone, tap on restart, and then try your TikTok app again after it has restarted. Now the second thing which you can try is by logging into TikTok. Go to your accounts, tap on the three lines at the top right, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and log out of your account. Once you've logged out, go ahead and log back in and then test if the screen is spinning or not for you. Now the third thing which you can try is by going to your Play Store, search for TikTok, uninstall your TikTok app, then reinstall it again and then try. However, just a warning, all your drafts which you have in your TikTok, if you uninstall it, it'll be removed permanently. There's no way of retrieving that back again. The fourth thing which you can do is by clearing your cache and data. So you can do this by going into settings, search for apps, search for TikTok, scroll down and find storage, and from here go ahead and tap on clear cache and clear data. Now again, just a warning, if you do clear data, all of your drafts will be deleted forever. There's no way of bringing it back. So there you go, those were the things which you can try to fix your issue of why TikTok screen is spinning around. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.